cut off. What's going on? Yeah, cross 2 lanes at once. Yeah, speaking of, you wait until now to read the signs, and you're still a mile away. Nice cutoff up there.
Solar observatories that span the world.
Seriously, dude, I can't see your fucking headlights.
California, Chile, the Canary Islands, India, and Australia allowed solar oscillations to be monitored. Enters through the sun are best taken by photons and not by any other form of energy or matter. If any of us
It's still, what the fuck are you doing, dude? Really?
Vaporized and have every single electron.
You're a fucking douchebag, asshole, idiot guy.
I imagine one
23 years old, fed up with life and the way things are going.
See him?
He decides to write a story.
Someone did the math. It was the author himself. He said, if it takes 45 seconds to read one sonnet and another 15
Red light run, red light run,
sonnet,
red light run. What? Really? No left turn. That's a new one for this intersection.
Down before we get to the goal line on a 50-yard run, which is one of the most unconscionable plays in the history of the NFL.
Are you turning here or what? What was the point of that? Luck
That
sucks.
team with Rodgers can win 11 games without any question. I think that's who's going to make the Jets great. Now, whether they can agree.
And what are you doing on the shoulder now?
Whether Rodgers has the.
Do you know how to drive?
Whether he gets along when he negotiates, who do you know?
Extra regret.
I get it. She worries. I know her.
That was a nice cutoff and stupid thing up there. I gotta save that.
Wyatt's findings from Kent Hovind. So I just went and found a Kent Hovind video, and he was like, "Oh, here's what we have," and then I just
Nice cutoff.
points to respond to them.
Red light run. Red light run now. Yeah, that was pretty late too. He was hauling it. Red light run. Oh yeah. No, yeah, every little thing. Every little thing. Every little thing. Red light run. Hello, Nissan driver. I can't stand losing no headlights. Come on, you can go now. Red light run. Sorry, Altard.
What? Okay, so let's up this game.
Red light run. Red light run. Red light run.
Never been more important.
Where are you
And we're
going?
in a place where two things are happening simultaneously.
Are you serious? Of course. No, stop. Wait. It's a dual left turn fail. Wait, why'd you go to the right if you were turning left? Put in the work. Yeah, no headlights. Red light run, red light run, red light run.
Infrastructure. Yeah. We're just taking the whole thing apart. We're taking apart the parts of our healthcare system. We're taking apart the parts
Red light run.
in charge of monitoring and
We'll cook steaks for her, and it's like mine would be done in like 5 minutes, and I would have to wait an extra like 10 minutes. Red light run. And I think, yeah, there.
The expansion of the universe is like a map of the universe, where we're only reading the legend between things is changing over time.
No, stop.
Itself doesn't move.
Now that is the most pointless stop sign in the history of the world, right over there. But you ran through it. I'm just going to say that.
Wrote a letter in response to an article in the July 2002 issue of Sky and Telescope magazine. Schultz pointed
Really?
out that the optical
Screwborough.
preferred for viewing the Venusian surface was similar to the gizmo used to examine the interior of patients' eyes.
Red light run.
After seeking a couple of second opinions, the author...
No trucks in the left lane. No, 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 you cannot be there. If we're in Connecticut, no trucks in the left lane. No, 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 you cannot be there. If we're in Connecticut. But we're obviously not in Connecticut. We're on I-490 in Rochester. He's probably going to downtown. He's going to the inner loop because that's where the exit is. This is a pretty shitty designed highway to have left exits, but this is where we are. Oh, this is right exit, so maybe he is... I don't know. Well, this is the end of the video. Hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! Alright, I'll see you next time. Okay, bye!